Good day, people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming around. Um, my name is Timothy Olaiwola, and I'm a social media manager. I help brands to build a profitable presence on social media. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what content pillars are and why you need them. Now, this video is primarily targeted to business owners who want to do it themselves, the social media present management service themselves, or to up and coming social media managers who do not know what content pillars are or if they need some specific clarifications. Now, let's jump right into the presentation. Now, before I start, please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to click on the notification on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I share videos on social media management, both for the business owner and for aspiring social media managers and content creators. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk about what content pillar are. Now, here I wrote that a content pillar is a collection of subtopics that serve as the cornerstone for your social media content. Now, if you're a social media manager, you know that after creating your social media strategy, sorry for that, excuse me, after creating your social media strategy and the tactics, the key prominent thing for your social media is content. And if you're going to create content after deciding your audience, you have mapped out who your audience are. The next important thing is your content strategy. Now, your content strategy is based on your content pillar and your audience. Now, your content pillar is more like content bucket, like subtopics of a collection of subtopics into that particular industry that you are working with, to that particular client. Let's say, for instance, oh, there's an example. There's an example in the next slide, but let's be like it. A content pillar is a collection of subtopics that are similar. So when you look at all of these diverse topics in this industry are working in, you now begin to group them based on their similarities. Now, each group is a content pillar. Each group is a content pillar. Now, there is really no rule of thumb as to, okay, this is what content pillar that would work for every industry. Now, no, the particular company, the particular industry working will determine the content pillar that you have. You, as a social media manager, it is your role to decide the content pillars. And if you're a business owner, you do it yourself. You have to sit down to decide, okay, these are what my content pillars are. And you create content juggling from each of these content pillars. So let's go right into the next part. Okay, my battery is low, but let's as well to record this finish. The industry you operate in and your target audience will define how many content pillars or buckets you have. And oh yes, another name for content pillars is content buckets. I've talked about this before. And number three, okay, it says why do you need them? Now, before I talk about why do you need them, how do you define a content pillar? Let me put it like this. Let's say, for instance, you're working for a clothing brand. Now, that particular clothing brand is a small business owner. Let's say, for instance, it's located in the Lagos Island. In Lagos Island, that's a city in Lagos. And for that particular clothing brand, their content pillars could range from number one, educational post. That's they talk about the different clothing they sell. Let's say the clothes we have they sell clothes on for men. They sell clothes for kids. They sell clothes for women, both married and unmarried. They said English wears and native wears. Now, educational post could talk about why one is a good fit for the other. We could also have content pillars that talk about client or customers reviews. People that are bought from there, what was their experiences like? We could also have content pillars that talked about entertainment or behind this entertainment posts. Now, those entertainment posts to talk about funny reels, behind the scenes. We could also have content pillars that talks about connection. Perhaps an employee of the clothing brand, the CEO, gets to talk, get to say something about the brand. Now, those are content pillars for a a clothing brand, for instance. Now, the type of the brand, the type of the industry will determine the content pillars that you would create. So basically, look at all the content that a particular brand wants to put on social media, and you subcategorize them, put them into subcategories, and you create content based on these pillars. Now, why do you need content pillars? Number one, it helps you create and organize content so that you don't get to post the same content all the time. For instance, if you have a content pillar, you will tend to keep on posting educational posts, and you forget promotional, or you get looped in the cycle of creating those promotional promotional post, promotion on Monday, promotional Tuesday, promotional Wednesday, promotional. All you're just saying is buy this, buy this, buy this, or creating multiple campaigns. Content pillars help you to ensure that you have an organized content. Now, what ensures you do not miss out on, you do not miss any of your target audience in your messaging. Now, we have target audience, and for that example, that clothing brand I mentioned, we have men's fashion, we have kids fashion, we have kids, we also have women. You notice that we have different target audience, and if they are different social media, if they are the same social media pages, you want to create content that speaks to each of these target audience, whosoever they are. So you have to create a content that is overall, that is all encompassing all the various parts of your target audience. Number three, it has flavor to your content. Imagine you are just posting educational, you're not posting, or you're just posting promotional. You miss out on entertainment, you miss out on connection. You are not, people may get tired of your social media content and maybe tempted to leave your social media channel. So by embracing all of your content pillars, you're adding flavors, you're adding seasonings to your social media content. If you say something like that, do you get it? So it makes your social media content, your social media presence very interesting. So right now we've come to the end of this video. I don't want to make it too long, but if you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comment section. I would reply to it as fast as possible. So, and if you have watched up to this very point, please do well to subscribe, share my videos, tag someone who needs to see this, comment below, or comment below if you got value from this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.